1966 Dodge Dart two-door post here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 225 slant 6 underneath the hood. Error correct, and that is the size engine that this vehicle would have been produced with back in 1966, and it is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Shifter on the column. As we take a look at the front, bright work, chrome grille. You can see there has been some little repair work to some of the bright trim work up front. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. As you can see, it's riding on Krager SS chrome mag wheels, radial tires. Has had a repaint to red. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Interior red vinyl, bench seat up front. As you can see, the paint shows well. Nice shine to it. I'll show you where I found a few imperfections and where it's maybe not perfect, but a fun car to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. We'll start it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run, check out underneath the hood also. When we get underneath the hood, you're going to see that it has a Champion aluminum radiator. Also has the correct vehicle Certicard underneath there. We'll take a look at that too. There's a little touch-up spot back here. I don't know if you can even see that with the red on red. Then I did notice it's just kind of, I don't know, just a little hazy. Well, if I can get that to show up there, you can kind of see it. Again, being pretty fussy, it still, again, has a nice shine to it. But there's a few touch-ups here and there up on the front passenger fender. I'll show you that too before we open the hood. Noticed a couple there. Let's take a look down the driver's side. You know, it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches, but there's some imperfections here or there. We'll get the interior in just a second too and check that out a little closer. A little scuff there. And again, you can see that these things aren't really showing up on the camera very easy because they're not real major big spots. I can't even hardly find that back here. There's one up here on the hood a little bit. You can see that. And down here, nope. A couple little touch-ups. That fender, but again, nothing crazy. It's one of those cars you can get into, enjoy the classic car hobby without breaking the bank like you can on so many Mopars, especially getting into the big engine cars. 1970 model years. All right, take a look at the interior. Door panels. Seats appear to be free of rips, tears, holes. It appears it has been reupholstered in the red vinyl. So red on red. Take a look at the headliner. All right, let's fire this up. Again, 225 slant 6 paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. You can see shifter right here in the column. Make sure we're in neutral. Alright, let's let temperature gauge. Fuel gauge went up all the way past full. So I'm not sure how accurate that is, or maybe it has a full tank and it reads high. Alternator gauge working. I did not get the radio to power up. Wipers will work. I'm sure you can find that out towards the end of this video. We're going to do a little driving video with it, and you'll be able to see what it's like to go down the road. Kind of a virtual ride along, if you will. Slip around the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like you'd expect. Reliable engines. Alright, slip up to the front. It's going to take me both hands to get this hood open with the latches. So let me pause this a second. I'll be right back. We'll check out this engine bay. Hood open, and here's the underside of the hood. Heard me mention the Champion aluminum radiator before. There it is. I also mentioned that vehicle CERTA card. You can see that in the still pictures. There's also the fender tag. You'll have a close-up of that in the still pictures, as well as the casting number on the engine, the VIN number on the car. See, there is a battery disconnect for when it's in storage or maybe between drives. There it is, a slant 6, 225 cubic inches. Running smooth, sounding as it should. Good looking engine bay. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. 1966 Dodge Dart 2-door post. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Dodge Dart in nice bright red, and that red carries through to the interior. This car is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Our turn signal indicators are working well. Very smooth running Dodge Dart. Very original. Looking very original. It feels like stepping right back into 1966. Looks like the steering wheel is cocked a little to the left. That doesn't affect performance at all. A little bit of play, which you might expect from this vintage of vehicle. Our wipers are working well, as is the blower motor. Speedometer working well. Fuel gauge is reading all the way full. That may not be correct. Temperature is about 1/3 to 1/2 of the gauge, which is just right. Alternator is charging about half. Comfortable stock looking bench seats in this car. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Let's shift her down a second for the roundabout here. Corners as you would expect for a stock condition 1966 Dart. Very nice shifting, good throttle response, nice idle. This car has ashtrays in the armrest of the driver and the passenger. Features you don't see on modern cars anymore. Extra ashtrays. Red inside carpet, headliner. Very nice looking. Check out all the pictures, even the undersides and engine bay of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.